Shayne coming to you with a video about some raft repair and some things that may happen when you're fixing your rafts. This raft came in with a hole in it that someone had patched, and we're just we got it patched back up, and we'll show you maybe how we can clean some excess glue off. Down here at boat level, I've got my cup of good stuff here. This is some dirty toluene from cleaning the boats to apply the glue. We're going to use that same toluene to clean the glue off the boat. Now if you notice here, there is my fresh glue that's just bigger than the patch because you don't want it shorter than the patch. And then we also have this big ring of old glue that never got cleaned off, and this will be a good example of why you clean your glue to begin with. You got frilly areas, that's always a good spot to go and attack and try and let them peel the glue off, because ultimately what happened is the patch pulled the glue off of the boat because it probably didn't get prepped properly. I don't see grind marks where they cleaned the surface with a grinder. If they did use this substance like a chemical on it, they might have, not cleaned the surface properly. Left a little bit of dirt and debris on it, or they used alcohol as opposed to toluene. There's so many things that go along with raft repair. It could be when you're looking at an old patch. You see this thing I've gotten lifted, and now I'm able to peel off flakes right there. If you got a patch that leaks, you're not going to fix a leaking patch with another patch, I'm sorry. This may take a while, so I'm just going to shut up, and maybe you'll see why you clean your glue before you deliver the boat. Okay, and this is my dead MEK stack, and I'm going to swap out this glove. His fingers get soft. I'm going to put on a new one. Now MEK and nitrile don't get along so well. I don't like to use MEK unless I have to, but if you have to and you're using nitrile gloves, especially the little ones that you can buy at any store in the big packs, buy 50 gloves for 10 bucks. Those gloves are going to disintegrate in a matter of minutes. These are thicker and they will last longer with the MEK, but I don't have the proper rubber gloves to deal with MEK, which is butyl gloves, and those are expensive. They're like 30 bucks a set of gloves. But they last for a while with the MEK, a whole lot longer than these do. But if you take your time and you're careful with your gloves and you change them out regularly, you won't get the MEK on your hands, and you won't destroy your gloves because the MEK will dissolve. Sort of like what it's doing to this glue now. I'm able to just sort of take and peel this glue with a sticky rag filled with MEK. It's just softening the Stabond up quite rapidly, actually. A whole lot faster than the toluene was doing. I'm going to keep working on this, and I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have done this. The patch would hold fine without it, but I like boats to look nice, and I don't like boats to look too repaired. So maybe this is me not charging a customer to shamelessly promote myself. Now if you like this video, I don't know, hit that subscribe button. I need like at least 1 or 2, because I think this is my first YouTube video, is it? Maybe. So I got one little spot left. It's in a crack. I'm going to go get a little mini screwdriver. Here we are. Boop, little mini screwdriver. Boop, little mini pick. I've got a couple different ones. They do different things, and user beware. I always said I felt like a dentist sometimes. But stubborn spots, this thing does a really good job of just taking anything loosened up and rubbing it free. But like I said, user beware. This is a pick. It's sharpened steel, and it is sharp enough to go through this boat. Let's do a final cleanup. I think we're done. I'm going to go get some fresh toluene and we'll see the finished result.